Hello, shwmai, a croeso I Teledu'r tele. A warm welcome to you all. In this video, we are going to look at JIT, okay? And in particular, creating a chart in JIT. So we've got the different sections of JIT here. In other videos, we will look at them individually, but in this one, we are going to look at chart. So have a click at that, and when it loads, you've got different templates if you wish. Okay, you've got pictures there as well. That takes you into your photo roll. I don't need any templates or pictures for this one. Okay, on the left hand side here, we've got your choice of charts. You can do 4 at a time. That does it automatically. You can include a table, which is probably good practice. Okay, so for this chart, I'm going to record the results of a survey we did in class, which was what colour hair did the pupils have? Nice and simple. So the items are going to be the colours, and the numbers is going to be the number of children. You can change that if you want. So we'll just change it to colour of hair and the number there. When you're doing this and when you're starting your graph, remember you need to put something in the save bar. So let's, as we're starting to type, let's write that in there as well, so we know when it comes to saving it what the title of the graph was. If you don't want to type, you can speak into it there. Okay, back to our chart. When we asked, and when we looked at the children, brown hair, there were 5 of them. Black hair, 10 of them. And then the red hair, we had 2 of them. Okay, now when you click on it, you can see it hasn't recorded the red. You need to press enter or go to the next box, and then it does it. And there you go, there's your graph. If you wanted that graph to be a pie as well, for example, you could click on pie and it would do it for you as well. Maybe a block. Okay, it will work for line, but it's not a very good graph. But we'll go back to our original bar graph. And there we go. Okay. Now then, saving this work is very important. There's 2 ways of doing this. In the corner of the chart, you can save this as an image. By doing that, it allows you to use this work then in other work if you desire. Okay, so you can click that. It doesn't harm if you just click it anyway, and I'll show you where it goes. And then if you want to save the work as a document, okay, maybe come back to it another day, you need to go to this icon up here. Okay, and if you hover over it, you can see I'm hovering over it there, and it says save. Okay, save. So we're going to click on it, and look, keep your eye on that icon. It's saving the work, and now it's disappeared. Okay, so if I were to add, for example, I forgot to say that there were 4 members of class with yellow hair. Now the icon is back in full colour, reminding me, oh yes, I need to save that again. Okay, and there you go. And you've finished your graph. If you want to make sure it's saved, you need to go back to your launch, into your files where everything's saved, and here's some graphs that I've done. And let's double check, that's the one we done. There she is. There's the graph. Okay, fantastic. Hope you enjoyed. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi. And remember, there's more videos on the YouTube channel. Diolch, hwyl.